All right, guys. Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Python on your laptop, even if you have very low RAM, maybe 4 gig or 4 gig RAM laptop, and your laptop is not that heavy, you know, and you wouldn't want to go through the route of installing Anaconda, which is going to be too big for your laptop. So today I'm going to take you through how you can get it installed without much memory. All right, let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is you go to python.org and then /download. I'm going to drop this link in the comment section as well, in the description. So when you go to python.org, let's go to Python home. All right, go to downloads and you go to for Windows. You can see Windows and then you see Python. So it's saying download and I'm saying yes. And it's downloading now. Python is getting downloaded. You can see it's not that much. All right. When it's done download, I will click on it. I already have it, but for the sake of this session, I'm going to run through it again. Now, you want to ensure you click on this, add Python to path. Why you have to do this? Because if you don't do that, Python, your command prompt will not recognize Python, and it will not recognize the Python commands like pip, like the install. So you have to ensure that you add Python to path, and then there is no need to customize. Just say install now. Just installing Python. Just wait for it to complete. Installation is successful now. We've installed Python. It said disable path length. You don't need to do this. Just close. You see that the file size is just 27.3 MB. So you have to go through the route of Anaconda, for example. Anaconda is about 400 MB. It will take your time. It takes a lot of memory as well. But with this, it's your journey is very easy. All right, so we've installed now. All you want to do now is to come here and then type in CMD. Come to your search bar, type in CMD. Then you'll be able to see command prompt. Click on command prompt. And then what you want to do now is to install Jupyter Notebook, which is your IDE that you use to interact and write your code, right? Python, you write Python. I'll also drop this in the description below. Python space dash m space pip install notebook. All right, you give it some time. You can see it's saying collecting notebook. It's downloading. Wow, makes sense. Our Twitter notebook has been installed. You can see a new release of PIP is out. To update, run. So if you want to update, you can run this, but we're not going to be doing that for now. What you want to run now is just to type in Jupyter. If you are ready to use Jupyter notebook, then you run. When you run this now, instantly you see a notebook. It opens straight in your browser, and you can start coding right away. Just come to new and then say Python 3, and then this opens up, right? And that is how you can install on your phone Windows 7 to Windows 11. Irrespective of the size of your RAM or your ROM, you can use Python this way. It's smaller, it makes your work easier. You don't need to install large files like Anaconda, VS Code, that consumes a lot of your memory. Now, this is one way. The other way is to just use the Google Colab. How do you go there? Just type in Google Colab laptop and hit enter. What you see colab notebook. All right, click on colab notebook, and I would also drop the link to this in the chat box. Just click on new notebook, and then it opens up. Wait for a while, and then voila, you are ready to code. Yeah, I can bring in, I can upload, I can, locate drive, I can bring in a notebook. Let's say, for example, open a new notebook. Let's say these are Python codes. I can click on it and then open it. You can see my code is there. I can run it. I don't need to install anything. This is also very easy way to run your Python code. It's easier. Yes, it's very straightforward. But this one, you could, the challenge with this is you could experience, maybe slow time, downtime sometimes, because it's, of course, it's hinge on your network. Yes, it's also very good because it also allocates runtime, memory, the RAM, and this for you. Yes, so anyone that you want, anyone that you prefer, you can make use of them. But these are very good options, especially if you have very low memory system. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.